Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my video. Hello everyone, meet me again, Saeful Bakri. Change the background in Photoshop and the photo will be print to play for a job. Okay, first we open Photoshop. Wait a few minutes, then we enter. Okay, open file, explore in the picture. Object. Click the right button on the mouse, then press and switch to Photoshop. Okay, now we just need to change the background to the object around it. First, we will select the object, then to select it using the pen tool. Here we will select using the picture pen tool. We will just speed up while then the object has been selected. Okay, press or right click on the mouse and then select make selection. Then it's up to what radius. Okay, if I select the radius 0, click OK. Then click on the quick select tools menu or quick selection tools. Right click on the mouse, select refine edge, or it can be on the menu above. There is a refine edge node. Okay. Then on the output menu, select new layer with layer mask. New layer with layer mask. Click OK. On the right side of the interface, click the create new fill or adjustment layer. Create new fill or adjustment layer. Select solid color. Choose the color you like. If I choose the color red. Click OK. And the color fill I fill one layer. We just move it or slide it to the second part of the screen. Move. Tara, finish. Okay, so how do I change the background in Photoshop? Now that I have finished, see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.